Hello fellas, I have Milwaukee M18 FPD2 and customer told that sometimes this one don't have a power, so I don't know, I will just open it and check it. Okay, taking the armature out, the ball bearing looks good. This bearing looks good, of course have some dirt on the winding, on the fan. Okay, let's get inside it. Okay, of course you can see a lot of dirt here. Okay, I have disconnected it. You can see the grease and the dirt, and okay, the customer told that it's working but don't have power, so I suspect to find some damaged wire or something. Of course it can be then it just needs to be cleaned well to work good again. Okay, the field itself looks good. Of course the switch is dirty, so I will clean it. Basically I think I will clean the switch, a little bit housing, the gear IC, and I will give it back to the customer. Okay, I've made some cleaning for this one, and I think now I can start assembling it back. With a hope that cleaning will help it. Okay, let's connect the gear IC wires. Now we just need to make sure that all the wires are in places. Switch looks good here. Trying to close the housing. Okay, seems that I got everything together. Okay, double checking it, looks good. Inserting the armature, closing the back cover. Okay, we have assembled it. Checking if there's no gaps on the housing, no gaps, so we can test it. Working as it was before, so I don't know if it will, the customer will tell if the problem still is or not. And for now, just thank you for watching this short video and waiting you in my next videos. Bye.